good afternoon sir, good afternoon ma'am. Myself Alisha Fatima, student of DLED 2019 batch, section A. My other group members are Riya, Shivam, Nayati and Sakshi. Topic of our presentation is types of computer. So first of all, I would like to give brief description about computer. What is computer? As we all know that computer is an electronic device which operates under the control of instructions which are stored in its own memory, that accepts data, process the data according to specified rules, produce the information for future use, and any kind of computer consists of two things, that is hardware and software. A computer consists of four major parts: the input, output, CPU and memory. Computers can be connected together to form networks, allowing connected computers to communicate with each other. Here's the picture showing desktop computer. This is TV-like thing is monitor. This is keyboard, which consists of different kinds of keys through which we give instructions to the computer. This is CPU. Here we put CD, here we put DVD, here we put floppy. This is USB port. This is switch on button of CPU. This is mouse. This is mouse pad. Without mouse pad, we cannot move mouse. So it's very necessary to use mouse pad. Now types of computer, the main topic of our presentation. So classification of computer is based on various things, like first of all on the basis of size and capacity, then on the basis of purposes, and on the basis of hardware design and type. So first of all, on the basis of size and capacity, there are various kinds of computers like supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer and microcomputer, which we will discuss in more detail. So first of all, microcomputer. A microcomputer is a computer. It's a complete computer on a small scale designed for use by one person at a time. So इसको हमने ऐसे डिज़ाइन किया गया है जिससे कि एक पर्सन इसको एक टाइम पर यूज़ कर सके ईज़िली, एंड इट इज़ इकोनॉमिकल इन टर्म्स ऑफ कॉस्ट एंड यूज़र फ्रेंडली. इट हैज़ ओनली वन CPU एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज पर्सनल कंप्यूटर बिकॉज ऑफ द रीज़न कि इसको एक पर्सन एक टाइम पर ईज़िली यूज़ कर सकता है. Common microcomputers include laptops and desktops. Now mini computer as the name suggests is a type of computer that offers most features and capabilities that large computer generally offers, and it supports multiple users at a time. It uses multiple processors. Storage capacity is in terms of terabyte. It is faster in speed and performance as compared to microcomputers because it contains multiprocessing system. Mainframe computer. A mainframe computer, informally called big iron. It is used by large organizations for critical applications and bulk data processing. Mainframe computer is larger and has more processing power than some other computers. And mainframe computer is the fastest computer after supercomputer. A mainframe computer is more powerful than mini computer and microcomputer, but less powerful than supercomputer. Here is the most powerful computer, the supercomputer. It is a computer with great speed and memory. It has more than one CPU, and the performance of supercomputer is commonly measured in floating point operation per second instead of million instructions per second. Now we have classification of computer based on purposes. It is based on two types of purposes: general purpose computer and specific purpose computer. So a general purpose computer is the one that given the appropriate application and required time should be able to perform most common computing tasks. Personal computers including desktops, notebooks, smartphones and tablets, etc. Specific purpose computers are those computers that are built to perform specific tasks such as automatic teller machines or washing machines. Now classification of computer based on hardware design. So it is of two types: analog computer and digital computer. Analog computer system is very old computer system, and digital computers are the computer system which uses the binary number system, which has two digits 0 and 1, and performs many computational tasks. So analog computer system works on the continuous signal, and digital computers work on the discrete or discrete signal. So here's the hybrid computer. Hybrid computer is a type of computer that offers both the functionalities of both digital and analog computer. It exhibits the properties of both the computers, analog and digital both. So the hybrid computer is a different type of computer, and hybrid computers can be used in large scale organizations to solve logical and tactical calculations. The digital component normally serves as a controller and provides logical and numerical operations, while the analog component serves as a solver of differential equation and other mathematical complex equations. So this is hybrid computer. Thank you.